Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this really cool glowing eye effect on CapCut. So press overlay and then press add overlay, and you are just going to select an overlay, which is this one. I searched up blue lights PNG on Google, but you can search up any color you want. Press add, and then I'm just going to I'm going to adjust it when like the eye opens, like right here. So I'm just going to drag the overlay here, and I'm also going to resize it to fit the eye. Then I'm going to go to splice and choose filter, and you can adjust the overlay, but I'm just going to do around 78. Then I'm going to press copy, so find the copy button and press copy. Drag it to the bottom, so you have two copies of like the eye. Okay, I'm just going to start here actually, so I'm just going to adjust it here, and I'm just going to take the other overlay and drag it to the left eye, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.